This is part 2 of my snowy day vlog. My hot chocolate's ready. Like I said in part 1, I have hot chocolate. I might do part 3. Oh, my teddy bear. I can't leave my teddy bear. Yeah, I got a text, but I'll check that later. Just once I don't know. What was I saying?
I was making sure you're recording, sorry.
Yeah, I was recording.
Here, hashtag sweet life.
Hashtag sweet life.
Hashtag sweet life.
Hashtag sweet life for me.
Look at mine. Mine says, treat yourself. Hashtag treat yourself.
Yeah. It smells so good. I'm looking so because I have a blanket on my back and I have some hot chocolate. It's gonna be so good. It's always good when you make hot chocolate. Yeah. I'm cold. I'm cold. Set my teddy bear down there. Teddy bear can wait until I come cuddling in. Pull this up. So far away from breakfast. That's so good. My nummy hot chocolate.
Hooters is a restaurant with over 400 locations worldwide. Back to work. We don't have to get along. We just have to work together.
No, we do have to get along. Can't we all just get along? The word merger comes from the word marriage, and that was what today was supposed to be. The loving union between people.
Sweet life. Yeah, this is sweet life because I'm having hot chocolate. Sweet life with hot chocolate. That's how you get sweet life. Yum, yum. Mommy's having her hot chocolate.
Treating myself.
Yeah, treating ourselves. We're having sweet life and we're treating ourselves.
Warming up.
Like I said, I might do part 3. It's up to me.
What will be in part 3?
I have no idea. I'll make it up on the way. I'll make what I'll do up on the way. I'll do it all on the way through part 3 if I do part 3. Maybe. Comment down below if you think I should do part 3 or I shouldn't. Well, I'll probably do part 3. Well, it's up to me. No commenting down below. X that out. No, not doing that. No.
I don't care about your comments.
No.
Don't even bother.
Well, I want to get a ton of subscribers on the Animal Channel. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers. Just subscribe. I won't get you into anything. Just have you subscribe. Subscribe down below. I'm gonna put my phone in the other hand. It's hard having hot chocolate with one hand, but I have to hold the camera.
$1 hot dogs for President's Day. Think the long history the hot dog has had with the president. Washington, I cannot eat a fry. He said I cannot tell a lie. Well, it's hard to understand. They have living teeth.
Celebrate President's Day with $1 hot dogs Monday, February 19th. This is Hank Sonic.
face as I struggle to hide my symptoms of depression. I'm on an antidepressant. Why do I still have depression symptoms? I didn't
I'm almost done. With hot chocolate, I get done fast because it's so good.
enough. No more. That's when I talked to my doctor. Really talked. I stopped saying, "Oh, I'm fine," and told her about living behind a mask. That's when she told me about Rexulti. She said that Rexulti, when added to an antidepressant, has been proven to help reduce symptoms of depression.
Done.
Any of the progress I learned with my antidepressant.
Now I can hold it in the other hand.
Tell your doctor about unusual changes in behavior, worsening
Get the blanket off. I don't need my blanket.
can increase these in those 24 and younger. Elderly
Wipe my face off. Go wipe my face off. Do, 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 do. Did I get it? Okay. Go get my blanket and lay down with my teddy.
impaired judgment or motor skills.
It was time to change the picture. That's why I talked to my doctor.
I should review.
$0 for your first prescription. Details
Remember, this is the Animal Channel. Sorry, I didn't say that at the first part. Part 2, Snowy Day vlog. Got a text. See you in part 3. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.